Another morning. This is the first morning after their tails. They're what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 5 days old today. I think they're getting around pretty well. This is, you're seeing everything before I've cleaned it up today. Let me see here. Come on, guys. Poor Nina. Poor Nina. I know. I know. There's one. Is it this one? Yes, I haven't ever seen this before. She's got a black stripe on her belly. There we go. At least I don't think I have. I think I've always had white bellies before. Anyway, there you go.